Well, good afternoon. This is Steve Jones. It's June 1, 2025. I'm on Big Cove Creek, Hayes Nature Preserve. Big Cove Creek flows out of the Hampton Cove area along the Big Cove Creek Greenway. It's a high water bridge here. Nice flow. We've had so much rain this spring that all the creeks and brooks and streams are flowing at high levels. We've got a water snake out here on a rock. Part of our group is watching it. It's a brown water snake. There we go. Just part of the local ecosystem thriving.